Indian Leather Creative Factory is a business that specializes in selling eco-friendly, vegetable-tanned leather to cultural entrepreneurs and handmade DIY personal studios. The so-called vegetable-tanned leather is the most natural leather, which is tanned by the tannin extracted from the bark and fruits of natural plants, is the oldest tanning method in mankind. Due to its natural and harmless characteristics, vegetable-tanned leather is also called environment-friendly green leather. No greasiness and rich finish processing methods. Its application range is very broad. Since its establishment in 1980, Indian Leather Creative Factory imports various types of environment-friendly vegetable-tanned leather, various hand tools, hardware accessories, dyes, coatings, books, teaching, and cultural promotion from all over the world. Indian Leather has more than 40 years of knowledge and experience. The first floor is a warehouse where stocks a large quantity of vegetable-tanned leather imported from Europe and America. Supplied to customers, form DIY studios to factories. On the second floor, you can find leather, material kits, hand tools, hardware, accessories, dyes, finishing agents, and books, with over 3,000 commodities available for customers to visit and purchase. The third floor is a classroom promoting leather culture and innovation with professional teachers from Taiwan, Japan, and United States. The students have been distributed over Taiwan. The Leather Culture Museum has been in operation for over 6 years. Provides students related disciplines and social organizations to book customized experimental courses, teaching by professionals to introduce the history of leather and the process of production, and rooted in the work of leather culture through handmade experience.